Welcome back to the channel, guys, and it's getting toward Christmas and we're getting a lot of things in from affiliates to check out. So I want to give you guys a rundown of what we're going to have coming up very soon. We used to do this on Tuesday, but things have got changed around, so Tuesday will be a different video. So we'll just do this on Sunday. We'll be all right. So the first thing we're going to be trying out is the Bewein F7 Mini 4K. This is similar to the other Bewein video that we did, but this is the mini version. It actually flies further, but it is a little smaller. It does come with 3 batteries instead of 2. And this is the drone right here. We will be having videos on this. And I look forward to that because I love flying drones. I didn't say I was good at flying drones. I'm learning, but I do love flying drones. They're a lot of fun. I have a blast with those things. Now next, I opened this box so I could check it out. And I've never seen a box that opens on like 8 sides and it only has 4, but I'll show you what it is. It's very cool. I never did figure out how to get the box back together. The front comes off, the sides, look at this. That's one box. I don't know what to do with that. Anyway, this is the WellMaking brand new version. It's the 80 watt. It's the HL-700BI. So we've got bicolor light in it. When I originally talked to them, they were going to send me the regular one, and they said, we have the new bicolor in, so we're going to send it to you. So this is going to be fun in the studio. I've already got a little prop to go with it, so we're going to have some fun with this in the studio. Again, this is the WellMaking light. We'll have that video out very soon also. And then Zeniko has sent us another flash. We've got a lot of little mini flashes this year. This is the second Zeniko one we've got, so I haven't opened it yet, but so I'm just going to wait till we do our video on it. It's the Zeniko ZT08, and we're going to be trying it out. We'll compare it to some of the other ones. We'll compare it to the other Zeniko, and we'll check it out. The little mini flashes are really popular with everybody, so we'll check that one out too. Now, this is from Godox. This is the ML-CD15. And yes, it probably does look familiar to you, like the other well-known brand that's much more expensive. But there is one thing you need to know about this that I learned the other day, which is fine. I was just practicing with it, and that's what practicing is for. Because I was looking for something. I really like to shoot flash on top of the camera, but sometimes if the makeup ain't right, you really do get too much shine on the head. Well, this will almost turn it into a softbox, and you get rid of like 90% of the shine. So this is going to be a neat little video to do. I think you guys will enjoy this. So we'll be doing that. That is, again, the Godox ML-CD15. And the one thing I don't have in my hands yet, I think it'll be here Monday, is Godox is sending us, I think, is what is going to be one of the coolest products of all year. And I've already done a video, so maybe it'll fall into next year's top 5 favorite. But they're going to be sending us the IT32. And from what I've read about this flash, this is a very cool flash. And it could possibly, should I say the word that starts with a G and ends with aim changer, but it could possibly be that. This thing will do some very cool things. I want to see how it works when I actually get it in my hand. And so anyway, we'll be checking that out. So anyway, guys, just want to show you what we had coming up. Hope you guys are having a great day. Get ready for Christmas. It's coming really fast this year. I appreciate it for helping you out. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Check back very soon. We'll have videos on all these items I just showed you, and I'll give you my opinion on each and every one of them. You guys have a great day. Thank you.